Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This Simplay3 dig-free easy up classic mailbox was such an excellent solution when we needed to replace our mailbox. The best part, not having to dig a hole to install it. Just add sand and assemble. And it even comes with a funnel to add the sand. This is an awesome solution when you need to replace your mailbox and the ground is frozen. I also love that it opens not just in the front, but also in the back too. And the doors are magnetized, so they're nice and secure. And the unit is very strong and sturdy. The base is wide, so it's really stable. It has the red pickup mail flag in the front, so it's easily seen. This Simplay3 dig-free, easy up classic mailbox made replacing our mailbox easy and convenient. And that's my point of view.